It is August. We are in the peak of our summer harvest and starting to turn over some of our plots to fall planting. These cages are just pitiful. I mean, look, it's like bearing down. The whole cage is crooked.
They're city cages.
Why do they make them so small?
These are tomato cages that think that they are strawberry cages. That would have been so pretty.
And delicious. I love leeks.
Ooh.
Come here, please.
This is what it's like to have kids, even when they're helpful.
So, Becca, what did we learn?
That only
To follow directions.
to follow the directions.
He asked you to put the onions in the tractor. And what did you do?
I accidentally saw them.
You gotta be careful, okay?
Okay.
And follow directions.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
I came out here early one morning picking bugs off of our cucumbers and green beans. But these guys, I don't really know what they are. Do you? Over the weeks since, I found a lot more turning into pupas and then turning into like a yellow ladybug. This is a ladybug. Dark red with black spots. You know what a ladybug is. This is a Mexican bean beetle. It is orange, not red. Like a dark yellowy orange.
Wow, can I see?
And now it's on the ground. Here I have identified their eggs on one of the squash plants I just pulled up. These little yellow dots. Zoom. Focus. Focus, little iPhone, focus. They are prolific and they have demolished so many leaves on our plants that now every time I see them I just squish, squish, squish. Check out that corn. It's got to be 6-7 feet tall and it's tasseling out nicely. Look how beautiful. I guess corn does like music. The Boston pickling cucumbers did great. They grew large, round, beautiful, crisp, delicious, and we pickled a bunch of them. This is done. It's sparse and looks pretty pitiful. I have more cucumbers in the front yard, so this is coming up. You can eat it, absolutely. Some of these squashes need to be cleaned out. They are cross-pollinating, so we're getting some weird varieties of a white acorn squash. It's like a patty pan mixed with an acorn squash, and it doesn't taste very good. We're gonna go ahead and pull up the weird squashes and throw them to the chickens. What'd you find, Becca?
I collected these and maybe you can use them.
That is a very good resolution, honey.
I collected these.
Thank you.
Just some of them.
Look at me, please. I forgive you. Look at me. I forgive you.
And I love you.
I love you. You're a good girl.